guys, good morning to me. Oh, Jeremiah, get his shirt on. So, I'm meant to burp really close to the camera since I'm gonna ask me to. So here we go. Shut up! I saw it on me burping because someone in the comments asked me to make a video without doing it. So, yeah, but anyways.
Sorry, that's just my cousin using
Yesterday.
an M&M. M&M's.
Yeah.
I'm
Bye.
eating this.
Thanks for watching. Please click and subscribe and in the comments if I should do next time do a different kind of personality video.
Bye.
But this is vlog number 1. See you guys later. Bye.